Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and boy, we got some good stuff going on here at the Crazy Acres today. We are making cinnamon apples on the Blackstone. Not just any Blackstone, the new 22-inch E Series Electric Griddle. That's right. I told you I knew what I was going to do for the first cook, and this was it. Because this was a special request from my #1 fan in Virginia, Caitlin. So if this is for you, the cinnamon apples on my brand new griddle. Now, I've never tried these before. I don't know how these are going to turn out. I'm hoping they're going to turn out great. We'll find out. But before we get started, please, if you're new here, consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here at the Crazy Acres. Man, we're trying all kind of new things here lately. Got a lot of fun going on, and ain't no telling who will show up. You never can tell. But if you've been here, thank you so much. You are the reason we continue to do the things that we do, and you are the reason we continue to grow. Thank you so much for all your support. Now, with that being said, if you're looking for any recipes that we may have done in the past, check down below in the description. There's a recipe playlist right down there. Click on that, take you to all the recipes we've ever done. If you don't see what you're looking for, hey, let us know. Speaking of letting us know, there's plenty of ways to get in contact with us. Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter. There's an email. There's a P.O. box down there. We got all kind of ways. So, hey, hit us up if you're looking for something. And with that being said, we got to fire this. I say fire it up. We got to turn the griddle on. How's that sound? And show you some groceries. All right, y'all, let's get this thing going here. How you like that? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm guessing, let's go about a 325. How does that sound? I really don't know. Now for the groceries, use any type of apples you want. Hey, we're just using some Red Delicious here. Some ground cinnamon, gotta have the ground cinnamon. And some water. That's it, y'all. That's all for the groceries. Now, if you notice, I do have the Blackstone E Series utensils right here. They're made out of nylon. They're made for that griddle. Now, if you're looking for this set of utensils or that griddle, look down below in the description. There are links to them down there. All right, y'all. I don't see no white smoke coming off this griddle, but it says it's fully at temp at 325. So it's time to get the groceries on the griddle. Let's go ahead and throw our apples on here. Man, y'all look how slick that surface is. I mean, look at that. No oil, no nothing. Now, take us some cinnamon. Sprinkle some cinnamon all over it. Now, as far as how much to use, season taste, y'all. Just season taste. Now, I might have to adjust my temperature up a little bit, but as you see, the water is boiling, so we'll see. Now they did cool the surface down. Give it a good mix. So, I am learning with this thing. It did cool that surface down a lot. A good bit actually. I don't know what temperature it went down to, but either way, it did cool it down. And the indicators did show it went down. So, I think I'm gonna pop this thing back up to about 375 and see how it does there. There we go, 375. Now the unit is still hot, but it's that water and them apples really cooled it down a lot. All right, y'all, I cranked the heat up to 375. Now I am starting to see that water starting to boil and bubble and all around, as you can see here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come in here and just give these things a stir. Start to see some steam coming off of them. Yeah, buddy. Smelling right here at the Crazy Acres. I think I'm gonna throw down just a little bit more water in them. Now it's starting to get back up to temp. Starting to see the bubbling going on. Just about every 2-3 minutes, come here and give it a stir. Add a little more water as you need to, and get them done till you like them. All right, so at this point, what we're doing now is just adding a little bit more water as we see the water's needing it, and stirring about every 2 or 3 minutes till we get the doneness that we're looking for. All right, y'all, I think these apples are about done where I want them. Y'all look how good them look. They look great. I wish you could smell them. So, let's go ahead and kill our heat. Like that. Grab us a plate. Let's take this up. Now, mine's not quite done yet. I'm gonna try one like this, but I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make mine. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try one of these out before I fix me a bowl of them. Let's find a little small one here, just something. Let's go with that one. Oh, boy. I don't know if it needs anything else, honestly. That is delicious. But, fit to put me some in a bowl, dress them up. Y'all check out what I done went and got. Got me some French style vanilla and some French vanilla almond granola. Y'all check this out. Put me some of these down in here, in this bowl right here. Yeah, buddy. Like that. Give me some ice cream back here. Throw it on top of that. Put my little granola on top of that. Yeah, buddy, there we go. Y'all look at that. What you think about that? Now, how does that look? A little ice cream on there, some granola, all them delicious cinnamon apples around there. Yeah, buddy. I can't take it no more. I gotta try it out. I done tried one of them apples. Them apples was delicious. But I'm thinking, add this little vanilla ice cream with some of that granola. Oh yeah, let's see what happens here. Oh, son. Yeah, buddy, that is it. Man, I never would have thought cinnamon apples on a griddle would be this good. You can do them on any griddle. They don't have to be electric. Do them on a regular Blackstone. Well, I'm pointing my big one over here. Y'all gotta give this a try. Kaylin, thank you so much for the suggestion. We have a new dessert here at Crazy Acres now. This is delicious. Love it, love it, love it. And if anybody else wants to give us any more suggestions, stuff to try, hey, we're open. We got a book in there, got them coming. If you haven't seen yours yet, be patient. It's gonna be around, I promise you. But I had to give this a try. Thank you again. I love it. If you're new here, subscribe. If you've been here, thank you. And with that, I gotta finish my dessert. We'll see you next time.